Do you know how important vitamin B12 is for your body? Often overlooked, vitamin B12 plays a vital role in several bodily functions, from aiding in the production of DNA and red blood cells to supporting your nervous system. What's more, our bodies cannot manufacture this essential nutrient on their own. It must be sourced either from our diet or from supplements. This makes it all the more crucial for our well-being. So, what happens when your body is deprived of this essential nutrient? Let's find out. Feeling fatigued more often than not? Your body might be screaming for more vitamin B12. This crucial nutrient plays a vital role in the production of red blood cells. These cells are your body's energy carriers, delivering oxygen to your tissues. Additionally, B12 aids in energy metabolism, transforming the food you eat into fuel for your body. A deficiency in B12 can lead to anemia and fatigue, leaving you feeling drained. So the next time you feel unusually tired, consider checking your B12 levels. Struggling with memory or concentration? Vitamin B12 could be the missing link. This powerhouse nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy nervous system, which is vital for optimal brain function. It's like the oil that keeps the cogs of our brain turning smoothly. When we're deficient in B12, it's like running on a dry engine. The cogs grind and cognitive decline can set in. Memory loss, difficulty focusing, even confusion can occur. Lack of B12 can make your brain foggy, affecting your daily activities. Did you know that vitamin B12 can keep your heart healthy? It's true. This vital nutrient plays a crucial role in reducing homocysteine levels in your blood. Elevated homocysteine levels are a known risk factor for heart disease, and a deficiency in B12 can lead to this increase, putting your heart at risk. So if you're keen on keeping your ticker in top-notch shape, don't forget about B12. It's more than just a vitamin, it's a heart protector. Maintaining adequate B12 levels can help protect your heart. The benefits of vitamin B12 extend much further. Let's dive right into the final 4 reasons why your body might be desperate for more of this vital nutrient. First up, digestion. Vitamin B12 aids in the production of digestive enzymes, supporting your body in breaking down food and absorbing necessary nutrients. It plays a key role in fostering a healthy gut environment, which is paramount to overall health. Without enough B12, you might experience digestive discomfort, from bloating to severe abdominal pain. Now let's talk about mood. Ever noticed how you're crankier when you're not feeling your best? That's not a coincidence. Vitamin B12 is essential for the production of chemicals that affect our mood, like serotonin. A deficiency can lead to mood swings, depression, and anxiety. So, maintaining adequate levels of B12 is crucial to keeping your spirits high and your mind clear. Moving on to skin health. Vitamin B12 supports healthy skin by aiding in cell production and reducing inflammation. It helps to maintain skin elasticity, preventing premature aging. If you're lacking in B12, you might notice skin issues like hyperpigmentation, nail discoloration, hair changes, or even dermatitis. Last but definitely not least, bone health. Vitamin B12 has been linked to improved bone density. It plays a role in bone-building cells and collagen formation, which are vital for maintaining strong bones. A deficiency of this vitamin can lead to a higher risk of osteoporosis, especially in women. So, let's recap. Vitamin B12 is not just about energy levels or heart health. It's also essential for healthy digestion, mood regulation, skin health, and strong bones. Each of these areas can be negatively impacted by a deficiency, underscoring the importance of ensuring you're getting enough of this crucial nutrient. From your mood to your bones, vitamin B12 plays a vital role in many aspects of your health. Remember, it's not just about what you're eating, but also about what your body is able to absorb and use. So make sure you're not only eating a balanced diet but also considering how well your body is equipped to utilize the nutrients it receives. To recap, your body needs vitamin B12 for energy, brain function, heart health, digestion, mood regulation, skin health, and bone health. Each of these areas could suffer if you're deficient. Energy levels may drop, cognitive abilities might decline, heart conditions could emerge, digestive issues may arise, mood swings might become frequent, skin could lose its glow, and bones could weaken. Counteract this with a balanced diet rich in vitamin B12 or consider supplements. Remember, your health is your wealth and vitamin B12 is a key player. Don't let a deficiency sneak up on you. Listen to your body and give it what it needs.